Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to set up a payment gateway on Shopify so you can start accepting payments from customers right away. First, in your Shopify admin, go to settings and click on payments. Here you'll see the option to activate Shopify payments, which is the easiest way to start accepting credit cards and other local payment methods directly through Shopify. Click complete account setup and enter your business and bank details. Once you have it approved, Shopify payments will handle transactions for you and you'll avoid extra transaction fees. If Shopify payments isn't available in your country, or if you want to offer other options like PayPal, scroll down to alternative payment methods or third-party providers. Click activate next to the gateway you want and follow the prompts to connect your account. For manual payment methods like cash on delivery or bank transfers, scroll to the bottom of the payment page, click add manual payment method and enter the details customers need to pay you offline. Once everything is ready, just set it up. Test your checkout by placing a test order to make sure payments process smoothly. Keeping your payment options simple and reliable makes it easier for customers to buy from you. Well, thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more quick Shopify guides to grow your business.